This week, we are hit hard by a November snowstorm that keeps us stuck at home. We use our little John Deere tractor to plow our driveway and allow us access out. This is Turning Into Stories. Welcome back. Today is November 7th, 24, and we have been pounded with an early November snowstorm, and we've got neighbors' cars stuck in the driveway, and we're going to try to get our cars out before we have some huge drifts that are over 3 feet high here. So I've got out my little tractor. Now I don't have a blade, so I'm using the bucket, but my grandson refers to my tractor as a baby tractor, and it is. It's a little 120R John Deere, but it does pretty good. And we're going to use this tractor to get us out today, or to move some snow. It may take a while, but it'll work. I call my little tractor Bambi because my grandson says it's a baby tractor. This is what I got. Got a little backhoe on it. And I've been moving some snow already. You can see, it may be hard to tell, it's so bright out here, but we're just going to keep working at it.
Windows wide, the curtains fly to catch the evening breeze. Without you here to keep me warm, believe I'd rather freeze. Believe I'd rather freeze. And how long can we walk that line between the sea and sand? How long can we bide our time for dreams we never planned? For dreams we never planned. When the sky said the winter time is coming on, and you cry to see a shadow, babe, was growing long across the lawn, another song. Tuesday night, it's 3 a.m. I ought to be asleep. If only I could tell you all about the dreams I keep, or about the dreams I keep. I wake up every morning and I'm wasted all the day. I turn it all around if I could only hear you say that you are here to stay. When the sky said the winter time is coming on, and you cry to see a shadow, babe, it's growing long across the lot, another song. Sometimes in my silence, before the city glow, I still recall the nights when I could hear you breathing low, and I caught you breathing low. But it's too late to turn around, too cold to go outside.
Okay, I've made some progress here. I'll clean it up here in a minute. But this is the big part. I got to get that done to get out of my driveway. And I'm not sure this little John Deere can do it, but we're going to put it to the test. put Bambi to the test. We're starting to see some sun, but we're supposed to have another 4 to 8 inches in the next 24 hours, starting to move back in about 1 o'clock today. So see what I can get done.
I'll wait to see your golden smile, feel of 1,000 kisses. Oh, please stay a while. I'll reach up to hold your sunlit face. Feels like a handful of silk now. I'm in your warm embrace. Oh, I hope this feeling lasts till the oceans turn to glass and the world around us turns and fades to black. Together we'll hold back the sun in this moment, forever young. Against the stream of time we'll run, baby. We'll hold back the sun. This feeling moves me every single day. I'm captured by your charm, enchanted by your ways. In the magic of your eyes, I've become lost in their spell. So come closer, my dear, because all is well. Oh, I hope this feeling lasts till the oceans turn to glass and the world around us turns and fades to black. Together we'll hold back the sun in this moment, forever young. Against the stream of time we'll run, baby. We'll hold back the sun. When the sun goes down and the world spins round, when I lay right next to you, I can't close my eyes even though I try. These perfect moments of you, I fall asleep in embrace in the morning, awake to that perfect side of you. Together we'll hold back the sun in this moment, forever young. Against the stream of time we'll run, baby. We'll hold back the sun in this moment, forever young. Against the stream of time we'll run, baby. We'll hold back the sun in this moment, forever. Lately your blue skies ain't coming, turning all the clouds gray. Baby, I can see a storm warning. I'm boarding all the windows up to date. And the ghosts have been calling. You don't hear a word they say, so let me do all the talking. I'll keep your troubles at bay. 'Cause it's you and me till the end of the line. It's you and me, sparking like crossed wires. When I see you move through a certain light, I tend to lose my mind. It's you and me till they say last call. It's you and me, gonna risk it all. Hand on the wheel, right by your side. Hold on till the end of the line. Lay with you while the night is still, proves you haven't lost your will. Soon.
that about does it. Thanks to Bambi, our baby John Deere tractor, we were able to clear our driveway. It wasn't easy moving snow with only a bucket, but we managed. The blade would have greatly helped. By the way, John Deere, if you want to donate a blade to our cause, I wouldn't deny you the pleasure. If you liked what you saw, please subscribe. And thanks for watching. Until next time, keep calm and carry on.